Relaxation and Rejuvenation. Sit in a quiet and comfortable place. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, imagine any stress or tension leaving your body. Pay attention to your natural breathing pattern. Feel the air entering through your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then gently flowing out. Let your breath anchor you to the now. Notice the thoughts that are passing through your mind. See them as leaves floating down a stream, drifting away, leaving your mind calm and serene. With each exhale, imagine releasing any tension. Bring your attention to your heart. Envision a soft, glowing light there, representing love and kindness. Feel this light soothing and balancing your emotions. Bring your attention to the present moment. Notice any sensations, emotions, or thoughts without judgment. Simply observe and be with them. Take a moment to appreciate the calmness you've cultivated. Stretch gently if you wish and carry this sense of balance with you throughout your day. Thank you for taking this time to nurture your mind and spirit. May you feel grounded and serene as you continue with your day.